Hey everybody, it's Emily. Just a couple of weeks until we are all back at school, sorry to say. But I am going to tonight review a couple of homework helpers so that once we go back, we have all of some great books and tools to help our kids once they get home in the afternoons with their homework. So there are some of you guys who have younger kids, 3-4-year-olds, and yes, they don't need homework helpers. They do need to go out and play, but there are lots of great things that Usborne has that will help them kind of prepare and fun things that they will enjoy doing as they prepare to get ready to go on to the big school. So one of the things that I love are the Wipe Clean books. These are just 2 of the series. There's several of them. In fact, there's a whole collection of 7 that you can buy all together for a discounted price. But this is the Wipe Clean First Letters. And you see all the way at the back, they will review tracing all of the letters, but throughout there's pictures with lots of great kind of find the tracing in there. And our first numbers book here, same kind of thing. So these use dry erase markers or dry erase crayons, whatever you've got, but they all come with a dry erase marker of their own. And like I said, there's quite a few of these, and actually our customer special for the summer is the entire collection of them for 50% off. So once you purchase $40 worth of Usborne books, you can get that collection for half off, which I think is like $17.50. Don't quote me on that, but something close to that. We do have a little get ready for school kit, which is also Wipe Clean. It has the 2 that I just went over in a little bit of a smaller size. It also has alphabet, 1, 2, 3 first letters, and ready for writing. So ready for writing isn't actually like writing a story or anything like that. It's more of pen control. So drawing circles, drawing lines, shapes, those types of things that kids need to work on as they're getting ready to write their names, learn to write their letters, all of those great things. So that is the Get Ready for School pack. So all in one little handy carrying case. We've got that one. Then some of my favorites that I love to use with my youngest are the Lift the Flap books for the little ones. So I am going to show you the 2 I have, which are Lift the Flap Numbers and Lift the Flap Opposites. So these are, like they say, lift the flap. So this kind of starts off with counting. So they count however many animals are in the pen for the seals or the sea lions, and then they find the sea lion at the bottom, lift the flap, and how many are in there? There's 2. So it goes through counting in the beginning, and then we get on to sequencing, what numbers are missing, that type of thing. And then all the way at the end, it gets to some very, very, very basic additions. So you have 1 child on the bus. They're telling you that 1 person steps on. How many are now on? You count 1, 2. So that is Lift the Flap Numbers. Lift the Flap Opposites, the same exact thing, obviously, but with opposites. So this one kind of goes through opposites based on just different scenery. So we've got hot here. You lift the flap or pull the flap and it's cold. This is all under and over here, or sorry, above, below. Just some review. So this is a great one to introduce kids to the concepts of opposites. So, and these are actually pretty hardy flaps here. My 3-year-old has not damaged any of them, so opposites. The last book that I'll cover for the little ones is one of my favorites. It's the Big Book of Colors. It's a beautiful, beautiful book. Reviews, just basically colors in general. So we've got a color wheel here. It talks about primary colors and secondary colors. And then it actually has a page for all of your major, major colors. It talks about all different shades of green, like sage and jade and things you probably don't even know are colors. And then once you get to the back, it talks about mixing colors and how you create other colors from the primary colors. So it's a great little review book here for kids. Really, really, really sturdy pages in here, so they're not going to rip them. They can carry these books with them, take them to the restaurant. They're pretty, pretty sturdy. So those are my recommendations for kind of getting ready for school for your younger kids, kind of age 2 to 4. So hope you enjoy. Thanks.